Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we are going to make strawberry cake. So let's get started. Here I took a bowl. I am putting 1/3 cup of oil. This is sunflower oil. 1/3 cup of curd. Half cup of sugar plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. I am using powdered sugar here. Now we will whisk it nicely for 30 to 40 seconds. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence plus 1 teaspoon of strawberry crush. We will mix it nicely too. Now I have placed a sieve over our bowl. Now I am adding 1 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. We have sieved all the dry ingredients nicely. Now we will mix them by cut and fold method with the help of a spatula. Now you can see we have mixed it nicely, but its consistency is so much thick. So now I will add half cup of milk gradually in it and mix it by cut and fold method. Now we have mixed all the half cup of milk in our batter. So our batter is ready. Now we will transfer it into this dusted and greased mold. Now we will cook it for 35 to 40 minutes on low to medium flame in a kadai. Now I have took a bowl with 1 cup of whipping cream in it. Now we will whip it for 5 minutes or until stiff peaks arise. Now you can see the stiff peaks are rising. At this stage, we will add 2 teaspoons of strawberry crush in it and mix it again for 1 minute. And our cream is done. Now you can see after cooking for 35 to 40 minutes, our cake sponge is ready. Now I have demolded it. You can see how much nicely it has cooked. You can see how much spongy and soft it is. So now I have cut the cake into 2 layers, and here is a whipping cream, here is a strawberry crush, and here is the scraper, and it is 2 tablespoons of sugar added in water to make sugar syrup. Now let's start the icing of our cake. So I have firstly applied sugar syrup over the cake. After that I have added whipping cream over it. And now we will just spread it over it evenly. As you can see, we have spread the cream over the cake sponge evenly. Now we will add some strawberry crush over it. As this is strawberry cake, so I am using strawberry crush. Now here comes the next layer. Now repeat all the steps as we had done in first layer to the second layer. Now we'll spread all the cream all over the cake. Now we will scrape it with the help of a scraper and make its sides even. Now you can see I have scraped it nicely. Now I will draw a boundary line with the whipping cream so that when we put our strawberry crush over it, then it doesn't flow off the other sides. Now we will put our strawberry crush in the area between the boundary line. Now you can see we have added all of our strawberry crush. Now with the help of a star nozzle, I am making here rosettes. You can make any design of your own choice. Now you can see I have decorated it with rosettes. Now here at the bottom line we will just make small flower type design. As I already said, you can make any designs of your own choice. Now I have decorated our cake with cherries, flowers and rosettes and some chocolate garnishings. You can decorate it as of your own choice, how you like. So if you like this video of strawberry cake, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.